This is the viperfish medusa. This mysterious creature was discovered in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Japan at a depth of around 2,400 meters, where sunlight does not reach. The expedition was conducted by the Scribes Institution of Oceanography in San Diego. They were exploring the ocean floor using a remotely operated vehicle called a Kishigu. It's equipped with cameras and robotic arms to collect samples. This footage was captured by one of the cameras on the ROV. Giant squids have long been a staple of deep-sea lore. The squid was approximately 3 meters in length and was filmed at a depth of about 1,800 meters. These tentacles can grow up to 10 meters in length and are used to capture prey. The tentacles are covered in suckers, which can attach to a surface, and then the squid can pull itself closer to its prey before striking. This method of hunting is both efficient and deadly. And it's no wonder that giant squid are feared by many deep-sea creatures. They have a hard exoskeleton and a segmented body with multiple legs. They have been found living in the most extreme environments, from the freezing cold waters of the Arctic to the scalding hot vents of deep-sea volcanoes. They are constantly under threat from predators such as sperm whales and giant squid. However, they have developed some amazing defenses to protect themselves. And as we continue to explore the deep sea, we are sure to learn even more about them. Who knows what other strange and wonderful creatures we might find down there? They've discovered new species of jellyfish, sponges, and even octopus. And who knows what other creatures are lurking in the dark depths? Who knows what unknown species we might find next? Maybe one day we'll stumble upon a new type of whale or even a sea monster. Till then, the ocean will continue to be a source of wonder and exploration for us all. One thing is for sure, the ocean is full of surprises, and we're only just beginning to explore it. For example, some crustaceans can release a cloud of ink to confuse predators while they make their escape. Others have sharp claws that they use to defend themselves against attackers. They are able to survive in these harsh conditions thanks to their unique physiology. For example, some crustaceans have special proteins in their blood that allow them to withstand extreme temperatures. The ocean is full of mysteries, and one of the biggest is the unknown species that live in its depths. From tiny plankton to giant squid, there are all sorts of creatures that we have yet to discover. Some crustaceans even have the ability to bioluminesce, meaning that they can produce their own light. This makes them even more fascinating to scientists and deep-sea explorers alike. Since then, several other giant squids have been spotted in the wild, but they are still relatively rare. And much of what we know about them comes from folklore and legend. These strange-looking animals have been found at depths of up to 11,000 feet, where they feed on dead whales and other organic matter. They are said to live in the darkest depths of the ocean, where they use their long tentacles to capture prey. But until recently, there was no solid evidence that giant squid even existed. In fact, most experts believed that they were nothing more than a myth. They are rarely seen by humans, and much of what we know about them comes from the folklore and legends of those who have encountered them. Some say that giant squid can weigh up to 600 kilograms, while others claim that they can even reach 9 meters in length. But until we capture more specimens, these claims cannot be verified. What we do know is that giant squid are truly fascinating creatures, and we hope that future discoveries will shed more light on their mysterious lives. As soon as the researchers saw it, they knew they had found something incredible. The team described it as a bizarre, translucent, pink, eel-like fish. Bioluminescence is often used by deep-sea creatures to lure prey, communicate, or camouflage themselves against the dim light of the surface. There are thousands of other bioluminescent creatures in the deep sea that we've never discovered yet. The ocean is full of surprises, and every time we explore deeper into it, we find more and more amazing things. Who knows what other bizarre creatures are lurking in the depths? Maybe one day we'll find even stranger than the viperfish medusa. In this case, the viperfish's eyes may have been used to attract prey or communicate with other viperfish. But we do want to know for sure, because this is the first time this species has ever been seen by humans. At first they thought it could be some kind of lantern shark, but it didn't quite look right, so they continued to observe it. That's when they noticed its most remarkable feature, its eyes. They were glowing in eerie blue light. This is known as bioluminescence. It's the ability of an organism to produce its own light through chemical reactions. It's not the only one either. Giant squids with long tentacles. That all changed in 2004 when a team of Japanese researchers captured video footage of a giant squid for the first time. One of the most fascinating aspects of giant squid is their long tentacles. But despite their size and power, giant squid are actually quite elusive, alien-like crustaceans. The deep sea is home to some truly bizarre creatures, and none are more alien-like than the crustaceans. One of the most remarkable things about crustaceans is their appearance. Crustaceans are also incredibly adaptable. Despite their tough exterior, crustaceans are actually quite delicate. The study of crustaceans has revealed just how amazing and adaptable these creatures are. Unknown species. In recent years, scientists have made some amazing finds. As technology improves, we're able to venture deeper and deeper into the ocean, and with each expedition, we're bringing up more and more amazing discoveries.